Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Redmi and opening settings so you can change the taskbar cleanly. Tap Home Screen or display-related options to reach the taskbar or dock settings. Once there, make sure to note your current layout or take a quick screenshot. This gives you a restore point if needed. You'll also want to check for any launcher-specific settings. If you use a third-party launcher, adjust its preferences instead. This prepares you to modify position, size, or visibility with confidence. Now you make the concrete changes. Select dock or taskbar position and pick bottom or edge placement to suit one-hand use. You can add or remove app icons by dragging them in or out. Make sure to confirm sizes. Small improves space, large improves touch accuracy. Once done, switch on auto hide or adjust transparency to reduce clutter. If gestures replace buttons, enable and test them. These steps let you balance visibility with reachable controls for smoother daily use. Finish by applying your changes and testing the taskbar across several apps to confirm consistent behavior. If icons overlap or settings don't stick, restart the launcher or reboot the phone to refresh system UI caches. Make sure to check permissions for the launcher if features are blocked. If problems continue, reset launcher settings to default and reconfigure. This usually resolves conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: clear launcher cache before resetting to preserve data while fixing glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.